diligence, hard work, and unity shown by our tourism stakeholders over the last 18 months is paying off as we rebuild a safe, seamless, and secure destination, and Brand Jamaica reclaims its competitive position in the global market.
The recovery of tourism in 2021 meant tackling the COVID-19 pandemic head-on. A tourism vaccination task force was established, and by October, approximately 60% of industry workers had received at least one dose of the COVID-19 vaccine.
The vaccination of tourism workers is key to the tourism's full recovery.
As part of a key strategy to reposition the industry amid the global pandemic, the Jamaica Center of Tourism Innovation continued the training of thousands of hospitality workers, and the first cohort of high school students completed training in the Hospitality and Tourism Management program.
And are ready to take up entry-level jobs in tourism.
The tourism product development company TPDCO issued over 1,000 COVID-19 protocol compliance certificates to businesses within the industry. And for the ground transport operators who help keep the industry mobile, relief was provided.
I'm pleased to announce that we have provided $70 million from the Tourism Enhancement Fund through the Jamaica National Small Business to be on lend to enable each of those to have $1 million at 0% interest. So as we recover stronger and better, we are recovering with everybody and not leaving anyone behind.
We're making all efforts to ramp up our marketing.
The Jamaica Tourist Board launched its My Heartbeats Jamaica microsite, a one-stop shop for persons to plan their romantic getaways in Jamaica. And the Tourism Product Development Company launched the Explore Jamaica app, giving locals and visitors access to information on licensed and COVID-19 compliant tourist entities within the 6 resort areas.
And this mobile application then is another step in the direction of continued change and innovation.
Jamaica's tourism sector is ripe for investment.
As confidence in the industry's recovery grew, a number of private sector investments took shape.
Our goal to dramatically increase the number of hotel rooms is still on track. And I can safely say that 90% of the planned investment are still on target.
Government-led investments included a $150 million budgetary allocation to begin preliminary work on the comprehensive upgrading of the Montego Bay Hip Strip. As part of TPDCO's Spruce Up Pondicana program, the historic Trenchtown Entertainment Park was refurbished. And on November 14, cruise passengers from the Emerald Princess enjoyed a soft launch of the $700 million Falmouth Artisan Village, being financed by the TEF. The flight log recorded a steady stream of new and returning airlines in 2021. Montego Bay welcomed inaugural Frontier Airlines flights from 3 U.S. cities, Miami, Atlanta, and Orlando. Direct flights were also introduced from Curacao, the Swiss financial city of Zurich, and Frankfurt, Germany. Destination Jamaica also witnessed the return of Air Canada and Condor from Frankfurt, Germany.
Our arrival figures are climbing. Airlift for the winter season is looking good. Stopover arrivals to date now stands at 1.2 million. We are excited about the prospects of this managed return. of cruise.
Ending a 17-month hiatus caused by the pandemic, Jamaica welcomed its first cruise visitor on August 16. After the arrival of the Carnival Sunrise vessel at the Ocho Rios Cruise Terminal, others would follow. By the end of the year, cruise visits were made to every major port of call in Jamaica.
And since cruise shipping resumed in August, we have welcomed over 36,000 cruise passengers, while our earnings, Madam Speaker, are now at the $1.5 billion mark. Jamaica is well on its way to recovery.
The Ministry of Tourism recovering stronger together in 2021 and beyond.